and followed by Pochi. Down on the inside, Larin Cut. Next in line comes Unleash, Royal Friend. While leg up, trails the field. Into the turn they go, Shimmer Joe by about 3 lengths. Gold Ruler in second, a length back to Angel Sky. Time Deposit is down in fourth. Terori outside fifth comes Uncle Malihim, still in 6, 7 lengths away. In 7 comes Larin Cut. By the rail comes Unleashed. Pochi comes next. As they swing down the back, Shimmer Joe by only a length. Then here comes Angel Sky. Uncle also coming closer. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Uncle, Angel Sky, Shimmer Joe in third. Then followed by Time Deposit, Gold Ruler. Uncle takes the lead by a length. Angel Sky is still in second. Then once again on the outside, Shimmer Joe, Time Deposit. As they come down at the last 200. Uncle by about 2 lengths. Angel Sky in second. Shimmer Joe moving up on the outside. We've got Uncle followed by Angel Sky. And on the outside now is Time Deposit. But it's still Uncle followed by Angel Sky. And finally Uncle, Angel Sky, Time Deposit, Shimmer Joe, Unleash.
Again, yung pang-anim.
Oh, sir.